Hello everyone, welcome to Euron, and in this video I have an announcement for all of you. We have launched a new course on our platform Euron.1, and this time this course is available in Hindi. Soon we are going to launch this course even in English, but let me talk about this particular course. So many of us, while understanding a data science algorithm, whether it's a machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, so we encounter a lots and lots of mathematics, and we just get overwhelmed by those mathematics concept or fundamentals. It's not like those things are difficult or hard to understand, but just a matter of fact that maybe since a very long time we are not in touch with those kind of a mathematics, right? It's been a long time since we have seen those mathematical formula or derivations or whatever it is. Keeping that in mind, so we have launched a course basically not a course called as Mathematics for Data Science and Data Analytics. So we have designed this entire course in such a way that you will be able to understand our fundamentals, you will be able to understand our mathematics, which is required for a data scientist to understand a machine learning algorithm, to understand a data, to understand a deep learning algorithm, computer vision algorithm, everything. So this is how this entire course has been designed. This course is available in Hindi for now. This course has been recorded by Prince Katiyar, who is one of the amazing mentor. Now, so what we are going to discuss in this course, so we are going to talk about a linear algebra. Again, like I said, most of us are basically like afraid about this entire mathematical concept, not because this mathematical concepts are difficult to understand, just because it's been a very long time. So keeping that in mind, this is going to give you a complete revision of a mathematics that you should know before understanding any data science, ML or data analytics, or any those algorithms which we generally discuss, which we generally talk in AI. So here, algebra, yes, we are going to discuss, and then we are going to discuss about the functions, vector transformation, linear transformation, eigenvalue, eigenvector. Again, very much important for lots and lots of algorithms. We are going to talk about statistics. We are going to talk about statistics, not just a plain one, but a descriptive statistics as well. We are going to talk about probability. As you can see, almost all the concept, whether it's a Bernoulli's theorem, whether it's a binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, everything we are discussing over here, whether it's a CLT, central limit theorem, everything we are discussing in this one. And then obviously we are talking about a hypothesis testing, which has been used widely inside a machine learning algorithms. We are talking about a t-test, we are talking about a jet test, we are talking about the Bayesian theorem, chi-square test, ANOVA test, many more things. Plus we are talking about a calculus as well, which is required, very much required for a deep learning algorithm, even for a machine learning algorithm, this is required. So hope all of you are going to give some sort of a love to this particular course. This course is very much affordable, just 499 rupees INR. And if you have a Euron Plus subscription, then no need to buy this one. It's completely fine. Already this course is available inside your My Learning section. So just go and enjoy and give us a feedback so that we will be able to improvise ourselves. With that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next video.